spot full of mad criminals. Full of mad criminals. It's the hot spot full of mad criminals. Full of mad criminals. It's the hot spot full of mad criminals. Full of mad criminals. The hot spot full of mad criminals. The hot spot.
Some DTs took my MPV. I was rolling with niggas wildin', walking up the block while we listen and stop the violence. This nigga tried to get me, but he missed with his 2 bus. So niggas carjacked his little sister school bus. Ain't hit no wounds, but was tripping on mess. My nigga got the hammer back and put the gun to his own chest. I'm tired of going no ways and putting niggas to rest. On top of that, don't fuck around because you holding the bless. Somebody passed the cess, before we blast his dome. I took their asses home, but there were problems of own.
You got black, you know, man, but it is what it is. You gotta focus on the right shit, man. You broke out here and broke.
Though I can answer a beat, they probably find a cure for cancer before they handle the streets. It be difficult, so niggas rolling up like sheets. I never break my pass of fate over hip-hop beats. You could be a beast, nigga, and you still catch heat. You shorty rocks with Glock, frontin' incredible feats. I'm roller equipped with the motor on the flip, on cue like tip. But my crew don't slip, we live in criminal.
Hot spot full of mad criminals. Full of mad criminals. It's the hot spot full of mad criminals. Full of mad criminals. The hot spot full of mad criminals. Full of mad criminals. It's the hot spot full of mad criminals. Full of mad criminals.
I don't really see no type of sense of niggas starting when they couldn't be hard. If their name was Remy Martin, you'll be missing with your album cover on the back of cartons of my milk. Cause it's soft like silk, you got killed. My lyrics is built to drop math in your mouth. I hit the cess, not the cane, but you still can feel the wrath when I'm feeling like a thuggin', bugging about the spark shit. You on some old Tevin camera, can we talk shit? When thoughts get drastic, classic is got. I create a future plastic, but blasting the clock. Even Quincy Jones will come back to the block when paramedics is reviving niggas' chest with the shot. Treatment, yo, everybody on the street went ducking to the ground when I was walking at the clown. I'm finna put the Lord down, I don't play that shit. But what it's worth, I feel for Mother Earth, so kids I live like a cigarette. Stress make a nigga get fits. I'm pushed to the limits, and yo, that's it. High roller equipped with the motor roller flip. On cue like tip, but my crew don't slip. We live in criminal.
The hot spot full of mad criminals. Full of mad criminals. The hot spot full of mad criminals. The hot full of mad criminals. It's the hot spot full of mad criminals. The hot spot full of mad criminals. The hot spot full of mad criminals.
Check it out, yo, this is going out to all the criminals I know, you know what I'm saying? Niggas that's real, on the deal, LTS, 704s, ESP, niggas kicking down doors, you know what I'm saying? Everybody in the Lord town, the city of sin, Lynn, you know what I'm saying? Lowell, Havel out there, niggas in Mass that blast, Cambridge, the Berry, Dorchester, Murder Band, you know what I'm saying? Everybody out there, South End, Puerto